Totoo ba na ang mga favorite daw ni Mang Dolphy, kayong mga girls?
I guess since hindi naman sikreto na medyo ladies man yung tatay namin, so I guess meron siya talagang soft spot para sa mga daughters niya. But I guess it's safe to say he loved us all equally.
It's always one day at a time for us. And I think na as much as it gets harder every day, we know that our support group is 18 members strong at its core.
Right now, I find it din really hard to sing kasi he is the person that really instilled the love of music in me.
So you don't have a song for him?
I do, but I guess I'll just iiyak. Magwo-walling na lang ako dito kung kakatayin ko.
Kumusta ka na?
Siyempre, hindi natin maiwasan yung maiyak ka o tusadin. Hanggang doon na lang siguro yun.
Papa mo mismo sinabi sa akin na ikaw daw ang paborito sa mga anak niyang lalaki.
Paborito pagsabihan.
Ano yung kabilin-bilinan niya sa'yo?
Always keep our phone na lang.
Ano yung sa lahat yung pinakamasakit sa'yo na maalala?
Siya mismo. Siya mismo. The whole Dolphy. Not clips, not situations, but him. Siya lang. Mahal na mahal ko tatay ko.
Naalala namin lahat nung naaksidente ka sa Pangasinan. Nakuna ng camera yung mga pag-aalala ni Mang Dolphy.
Dilat ko, medyo tuliro ako nun eh. Sabi sa akin, yung papa mo, iyak na iyak sa akin yan. Lagi tinatanong, buhayin niyo yung anak ko. Mahal na mahal ko yung anak ko, buhayin niyo po yung anak ko.
I cannot even begin to imagine paano mo nakakaya.
Hindi ko din alam. No, actually, alam ko. Kagabi, kasama ko kasi si Karil, si Zia, at si Nicole sa isang maliit na kwarto. Tinignan ko silang tatlo. Nakangiti ako, sabi ko, Jesus, maraming salamat. And I'm so blessed. Blines mo ko by giving me 3 wonderful, strong women to be around me. So, that's where I draw my strength from.
Pasensya ka na, this is medyo sticky. But last year, people were expecting you to get married daw. What happened? Ba't hindi natuloy? And do you regret not going through? Kasi I understand it came from your decision not to get married. Do you regret that now that he's gone?
Hindi na, kasi kung na-imagine ko, kung kinasal kami, may mga tao masasaktan. Siguro hindi talagang dapat binata ka na lang. Dahil ayoko, it matters to me what his children will say. It matters to me kung ano yung mararamdaman nila. Dahil mahal ko rin sila eh. Kahit may edad na, parang siyempre may masakit pa rin yun, may kurot pa rin yun eh. Bakit hindi yung nanay ko?
So you made the supreme sacrifice, kumbaga. Kasi every woman wants to walk down the aisle. But in your case, nagsakripisyo ka because you don't want his kids to feel bad.
Yeah, kasi nga, mahal ko din sila eh. Ayaw ko masasaktan sila. Feeling ko kung tinuloy namin yun, it would be a selfish decision para sa amin lang.
There's so much outpouring of love. Everyone's saying a lot of mga hindi natin alam noon na mga good deeds na ginawa niya. Now people bring up, his other women, and yet you are the one. Ikaw yung, in the end, ikaw yung wagi sa lahat.
Hindi naman to contest. Siguro in the beginning, I felt that, yung parang contest ba ito? Pagka nararamdaman ko na ganun, pinipigilan ko yung sarili ko, hindi naman ito contest, ito yung buhay. Hindi naman ito kung sino yung pagmamahal na ipaglaban mo lang. And minsan, syempre, you get emotional also, pero dapat steady ka lang.
Did you ever rib him or tease him about ba't ang dami niya? Ba't naging ladies man siya?
Para sa akin, okay lang yun. Kasi nung dumating ako, history na niya yun eh. So, kailangang tanggapin ko yun, hindi ba? So, meron ako mga nababasa, mga recollection, ganyan, magsusulat sila tungkol sa mga happy times sila. I smile actually. Oo, kasi na-imagine ko sila during that time, wala pa naman ako nun eh.
A lot of people marvel. There's such a huge difference in your age, and yet you got along so very well. What's the secret?
When our children came, I guess, yung mga anak namin kasi, it strongly bonded us. And he wasn't that busy with work anymore, that he really got to spend a lot of time with us.